Hey guys, does 3D printing have an identity problem? Hey guys, so this video is brought to you by my cat Wednesday. Don't worry, it's only sponsored by her love and hijinks. Right, my little Wednesday? Wednesday. Oh. But anyway, guys, back to the video. The truth of the matter, to people outside of 3D printing, 3D printers are either a high-end glue gun attached to an arm, or it's a weapon maker, or it just is a toy producing other toys. They don't see the true utility in 3D printers, and we, as 3D printer enthusiasts, need to change that. When I told my family and friends that I was building out a 3D print farm, a lot of them said, "Why? What's the point of it?" Others asked, "What is a print farm?" But most of them thought I was just going to be printing out these multicolored knickknacks and stuff like that. They didn't understand that you can actually print car parts or other functional parts that can be used in your daily life. And I think that is what's the core issue with a lot of people in the government. But again, people outside of 3D printing, they just don't understand how valuable these tools are. They don't understand the utility of these tools. We can do so much more with them, but we got to stop pushing the concept that these are only hot glue guns that can print toys. A lot of people don't even know that we can print with nylon, ASA, ABS. None of them, there's a lot of people who do not understand that. And a lot of beginners get into it just for PLA prints. They don't understand they have a very powerful tool that can make a lot of functional parts, even with PETG. So yes, I do believe that 3D printing has an identity issue, not only with people from the outside, but again, from people within 3D printing, because a lot of people don't understand truly how amazing these tools are, and they just go in printing tons of knickknacks and all. And there's nothing wrong with that. 3D printers are valuable tools that, again, we get a bad rap when people in the government think that they're just being used for nefarious reasons, and other people think we're just making toys. The truth of the matter is these are powerful tools that can make amazing functional parts, and we need to start educating more people. And it doesn't help that a lot of these manufacturers for 3D printers push the narrative that these are toy making machines. A lot of the marketing is around multicolor printing with a lot of poop, or in the case of tool changers, you can print out a lot of these multicolor prints without any poop and less waste and et cetera, et cetera. It doesn't help the concept of 3D printing and changing the narrative, changing the identity of what a 3D printer is truly capable of. These are, in my opinion, multi-materia functional part machines, engineering machines, creating complex items in your home or in your lab. That is what 3D printing is to me. I think we need to kind of push that narrative going forward. But what do you guys think? Do you think we are just stuck in the rut of being labeled as toy makers and or knickknack makers? So do you talk to your friends and family and teach them on how capable these tools really are? Let me know in the comments below. But anyway, guys, like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.